What's going on, guys? Today we have some updates on the GTR. I recently purchased some new parts. It's going to give me about 100 more horsepower to the wheel. So I'm currently pushing about 550 wheel horsepower, and I should be pushing about 650 wheel horsepower once I get all these mods installed and a fresh tune. So what did I get? Let's open up the box and find out. I just ordered these parts and they showed up within like 24 hours. It was pretty awesome. Alright, so here are some injectors. These are ID 1300X. I also got fuel pumps and the connectors for the injectors. So I have a couple more parts that are coming. I have a flex fuel kit. Once I get that installed on the car, that's going to allow me to run E85. And then I also have a front mount intercooler. So I should be pushing about 650 wheel horsepower. It's going to be super awesome and I can't wait. So along with those power mods, I got a couple other interior mods that's going to give my car a lot more vibe on the inside. Let's see what that's going to be. All right, check this out first. Boom. Those things are so sick. All right, so I got diamond stitch floor mats. They're gonna be black with white stitching. I think that's gonna add an element of luxury to the GTR. And then I also got some lighting for the footwells on both sides. That's just gonna give the car a little bit more vibe. One of the things that the GTR interior lacks is vibe and luxury. It's just more of like a raw sports car. There really isn't too much luxury, really too much vibe. So I'm hoping by adding in those diamond stitch floor mats and the lighting, it's just gonna be a lot more cool to be inside the interior of the GTR. So I'm really looking forward to that. Now with that being said, let's talk about a couple other things that we got going on today. So we've got a couple of go-karts here, and you can see my other vlogging camera. I have these are Segway Ninebot Gokarts. They are electric go-karts, and they're pretty awesome. They go about 15 miles an hour, and even though that doesn't sound very fast, they're so low to the ground and they're so light, there's a lot of torque, and 15 miles an hour actually feels pretty quick. So these things are super awesome. And what I'm going to try to do today is I'm going to bust out this guy back here, and I am going to see if I can drift it, and I'm going to see if I can get it on two wheels, because check this out. We got an EBrake. So I'm gonna bomb down this hill, and I'm gonna hit the EBrake and see what happens. Out of juice. Oh my gosh, we only have 1 bar left. Okay, time to power home. Oh man, that was too good. Alright, so as you guys can see, these go-karts are a ton of fun. The one downfall is if you are in sport mode, which is the mode that gives you the most power and the most speed, if you're flooring it, doing everything that I was doing out there, turning it, flooring it, all that stuff, I want to say revving it because I feel like it's a car, but it's not. But if you're out there doing all that stuff, the battery really only lasts, I want to say like 20 minutes. I'm not like 100% sure because I haven't timed it, but it doesn't feel like it is long enough. Kids outside. But anyways, these things are a ton of fun, and hopefully I'll be making some more videos with the go-karts because I just had an absolute blast. So thanks for checking out this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.